Dealing with Crocs foot odor, causes and solutions.
Hello everyone. Today, we're delving into a common yet often uncomfortable issue: foot odor in your favorite pair of Crocs. Now, you might love your Crocs for their comfort and versatility, but we all know they can sometimes lead to a less than pleasant smell. Let's discover why this happens and, most importantly, how you can prevent it.
What causes foot odor in Crocs?
The root cause of foot odor in Crocs, or any shoes for that matter, is bacteria. We all have bacteria on our skin, and this is entirely normal. However, when our feet sweat, the moisture combined with the warm environment in the shoe makes it a perfect breeding ground for these bacteria. These bacteria break down sweat, which can result in the release of unpleasant smells. Since Crocs are made from a foam resin called Croslite, they don't absorb sweat like cotton or other natural materials might. Instead, the sweat stays on the surface, which can amplify the smell.
How can I prevent foot odor in my Crocs?
Great, we've identified the cause. Now, let's talk about how to prevent this issue. Proper ventilation. Firstly, ensure your Crocs are properly ventilated after use. Don't just kick them off and forget about them. Place them in a well-ventilated area to dry out, as this can help to minimize the bacteria growth. Regular cleaning is also crucial. Crocs are quite easy to clean. Just use some mild soap and water, scrub them gently, and allow them to dry. Make sure to get in all the little nooks and crannies where bacteria might hide. Use of antiperspirants and powders. Another helpful solution is to use antiperspirants on your feet. Yes, they're not just for your armpits. You can also consider odor-eating insoles or powders to absorb the sweat, which can significantly reduce the chances of a bad smell. Wearing socks. Consider wearing socks with your Crocs. Socks can absorb a lot of the sweat from your feet, reducing the amount of moisture in the shoe. And that wraps up our discussion on tackling foot odor in Crocs. Remember, it all comes down to controlling the bacteria and the sweat they thrive on. By ensuring proper ventilation, regular cleaning, using antiperspirants or powders, and possibly wearing socks, you can keep your Crocs smelling fresh. We hope this information helps you continue to enjoy your comfy Crocs without any of the smell issues. Thanks for watching.